In this video, we'll get familiar with the home page in IBM Watsonx.data integration and also learn some tips for navigating. We'll start where we left off last video, having just logged in to our free trial of .data integration for the very first time. Before we get to the home page, you'll need to confirm the standard license agreement. Next, you'll be asked to confirm the Cloud Object Storage instance. This is where your project data and assets will be stored. Click Confirm to continue. Once you're in, a brief guided tour displays to walk you through the different areas of the home page. The first stop is the Get Started with a Task section, where you can get to your different tools in one click. Let's go to the next stop. In the Observe section of the home page, you can monitor alert definitions, alerts that have been triggered, and the status of recent job runs. The Recent Work section shows the most recent projects and deployment spaces you've been working on. The Discover section at the bottom of the page contains helpful resources to jumpstart your work. You can come back to these helpful resources at any time. Let's click Done to continue. Let's continue our tour in the top right corner with the Region selector. Remember from our last video that all of your projects and assets are stored exclusively in one region. In our example, we're using the Toronto region. Next, the Context switcher controls which platform experience you're currently working in. Data integration is part of the data fabric, so we'll need to make sure that data fabric and the correct region are selected before we continue. Now let's move to the left side of the screen. The hamburger menu gives you access to all areas of the platform. Home returns you to the home screen we're on now. Click the Data drop-down arrow to see more options. In Connectivity, you can create connections to external systems. Click Data Observability to monitor the health and coverage of your data pipelines. Next, we'll look at the Projects menu. You can navigate directly to your projects or your jobs by clicking either of these links. Under that, we can see deployment spaces. Here, you can promote assets from development or testing to active operational environments. Next, Resource Hub contains sample projects and datasets to help you get started. We'll come back to this link shortly. The Services section lets you browse to see what services are provisioned and available within your environment. The Administration dropdown contains links to the settings for managing your environment. Finally, the Support section gives you links to documentation, support tickets, and other helpful resources. Now, let's go back to the Resource Hub. The Resource Hub contains sample projects and data sets you can quickly import. Let's search for data integration. You can see in the results that we have one sample project and many different data sets. Let's click the sample project to continue. This data integration sample project contains a guided tutorial built around a real-world use case. It includes a data stage flow and 4 pre-built connections to get you started. Click the Create Project button to import it directly into your environment. You also have the option to modify your project settings before creating it. For now, we'll leave the defaults and click Create. Great! We've successfully created a new project. Let's click the View button to take a closer look. This is what a .data integration project looks like. You'll usually start on the Overview tab, which is one of the 4 main tabs at the top of the page. This page provides some project metrics, alerts, and quick links to assets. Next, the Assets tab is where all of your project's resources are stored. This includes data flows, connections, jobs, and more. You can use the search filters to locate something specific, and also use the buttons on the top to import or create new assets. The Jobs tab lists all jobs associated with your project. You can click any job to view its run history and details. And finally, the Manage tab is where you can configure project-level settings. The left navigation provides links to the different details about your project, as well as direct links to the different data integration tools. This is also the place where credentials and storage can be managed by admins. Now you know how to navigate the .data integration interface. In the next video, we'll go over a couple of important tips and tasks before you start building your data flows. See you then!